Assalamu alaikum. Week number 4, lecture number 2 and chapter number 1. Today we will discuss about French Revolution. When French Revolution started, what was the reasons of French Revolution? What was the impact of French Revolution? And then what was the role of Napoleon as the emperor? Okay. French Revolution, here is the time period given of French Revolution 1789 to 1799. Here are the reasons that why French Revolution was started. Pope and kings lived a luxurious life. Okay, they were enjoying all sorts of comforts of life. Okay, they ignored the feelings of the local people. They paid no taxes to the church, to their local lords and monarchy. So the educated people or professional things such as lawyers, merchants, they begin to feel that this is unfair and there was a need of revolution to change the existing laws of society. So they denied to accept all these laws. Monarchy was replaced with the French Republic and they start uprooting the monarchy and feudalism. So these were the reasons of French Revolution. The impact of French Revolution, the impact was, you can say, have a very good impact of French Revolution was there on the society. After the end of the war, okay, after the end of this French Revolution, there were three things that were very common: liberty, equality, and brotherhood. Okay, the idea that all men born free inspired societies across the world. No one was superior and no one was inferior. All human beings were considered equal. Especially Europeans raised their voices against oppressive government and monarch. Now we will discuss about the role of Napoleon as the emperor. He worked as an emperor from 1804 to 1814. He was a very good military leader, having the good military skills. He led many successful campaigns. He was famous for military tactics, as is that's why he was known as genius in the warfare, as he fought 60 battles, most of which he won. Fighting 60 battles is not easy task and most of which he won. He wanted to expand his territories. So he kept on running military campaigns in different countries. But what happened in 1814? The great power in Europe, mainly Russia and Sweden, allied against Napoleon, defeated him and he died in 1821. Okay, these are the important points which I have discussed with you about French Revolution, why it started, what was the reason and what was the impact of French Revolution, what was the role of Napoleon in this war as emperor. Now you have to go through the topics and highlight the important point from the given pages.